If you have ever needed to redact sensitive information from a PDF document but didn't want to spend money on third-party apps, we have a solution for you. The Preview app on Mac now allows you to redact PDFs for free. So let's dive right in and learn how you can do it. To get started, simply double-click on the PDF document you want to redact. This will open the document in the Preview app. If you have set any other app as default, you can right-click on the file and choose Open in Preview option. Once it's open, click on the markup button located at the top right of the app. After clicking the markup button, a toolbar will appear. From this toolbar, select the Redact tool. It is represented by a filled square icon. Before we proceed, it's important to note that redaction is a destructive process. Once you redact a document and save it, you cannot go back to the original content. Preview will display a warning dialog informing you about the same. If you are unsure, you can always duplicate the file before proceeding. To redact a document, simply click and drag your cursor over the text you want to redact. As you do this, you will see a black redaction color covering the selected text. This ensures that the information is hidden from the view. You can also redact images or any part of the document by clicking and dragging over it. If you have redacted something by mistake, just hit the Command G keyboard shortcut to undo it. Remember, once you save the document and quit out of it, there's no way to go back. And that's it. You have successfully redacted your PDF document using the Preview app on Mac. Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and tutorials.